Hey YouTube, I am Iris and I will tell you how to disable internal keyboard of laptop. First of all, go to Start menu and type Device Manager. In Device Manager, go to Keyboards and select keyboard which you want to disable. Right click and click on Uninstall device. Look, internal keyboard has been uninstalled. This one is external keyboard. But what happened when we scan for changes? Look, it has been installed again. Now what to do? We have to prevent this installation. Again, we will uninstall this first and then we will change the policy. To change the policy, press Window plus R and type gpedit.msc. GP stands for Group Policy. Now go to Administrative Templates and then System and then Device Installations. Now go to Driver Installation Restrictions. Now double click on Prevent installation of devices not described by other policy and set it to enabled. Apply. OK. Here we go. Our keyboard has been uninstalled permanently until you revert back this group policy. Look at this notification. The installation of this device is forbidden by system policy. Contact your system administration. To revert back, you just need to double click and set to not configured and apply. It will be reverted. Look, policy has been reverted. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.